Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year's. We are boarding the Utopia of the Seas for a 4-day cruise. Pepperoni and cheese tornadoes, raspberry cheesecake chicken. They got some ranchero beef and cheese tornadoes, Mediterranean veggie wrap, and the chipotle chicken sandwich. We're walking into the Windjammer Marketplace. It's time to grab some lunch, especially the seafood buffet. Here's where you hit the bar when you first come in. Lots of Utopia cupcakes involved here. We got some international flavor here. Indian pickles, gluten-free, mango chutney, chicken tikka, and others. You got a churro station. On this side we have some more Indian food. Then we have some Dijon mustard, some roast beef. How you doing? Some melted butter, gravy for your mashed potatoes, cream spinach, Guinness beef stew and potato stew. On this side we have grilled barramundi, some seafood paella, barbecue sauce to put with your barbecue chicken, some condiments, and we have some steamed carrots, roasted butternut squash in the back, and cauliflower. We have some more barbecue chicken, some rice, some Guinness beef stew again, roasted potato wedges, and pork schnitzel and Romulade sauce. Fresh in the garden salad bar. We got a black olive, some croutons, some chickpeas, eggs, parmesan, carrots, onions, lettuce. Just build your own, basically. And over here we have the seafood bar that's available on Embarkation Day. This guy will get you your lobsters here. I've already had 4. And some more shrimp. We have clams, salmon, tartare, and of course the lobster tail. And over here you have the sauces. Cocktail, sweet chili, Old Bay aioli, and Marie Rose sauce. We have some kind of ice figure here. As we continue the seafood bar, we have some seafood ceviche. As quick as you put them down, they restock. Lots of jumbo shrimp. And you have the cocktail sauce and all the other sauces. Over here we have a pasta bar. Different types of noodles. Pesto sauce, Parmesan, chili flakes, mac and cheese, baked pasta, and some garlic bread. We have some chicken tenders, French fries, mushrooms, bacon, and sauteed onions. Here you have the hot dogs, the pulled pork with barbecue sauce, beef burgers, cheeseburgers, chili beef that's gluten-free, sauerkraut, chili cheese sauce. Here we have beef stir-fry and vegetable stir-fry noodles. It's a whole stir-fry station with the veggies. On this side, it's the churro bar. It's freshly made churros with chocolate sauce, strawberry compote, caramel sauce, Oreos, etc. Down here we have some cookies. We have lemon cookies, coconut rangers, and oatmeal raisin, Oreo cheesecake, peanut butter and jelly, and some fresh fruit. Over here we have the pineapple sunshine cake and the chocolate layer mousse. Now we have more areas with dessert, some bread pudding, vanilla sauce. We got some ice cream here, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate. How you doing? Apricot almond pistachios. Apricot almond pistachios, creme brulee, raspberry pound cake, some carrot cake, coconut cream puffs, and a chocolate bar. Here's the bakery. Lots of gluten-free options and gluten-free bread on this cruise. And we have some cheese rolls, sourdough rolls, sesame seed barra bread, and garlic cheese spirals. Finally, on this end of the Windjammer buffet, you have the deli station, which you have some tuna spread, lobster spread, egg spread, and mussel seed rolls, a bunch of rolls, pickles, tomatoes, lettuce, and we keep going over here. We have salami, mortadella, Edam, ranch dressing, prosciutto, olive tapenade, I think it's called. It's like a blended black olive, hummus, cheddar, provolone. We have some marinated olives, grilled eggplant with feta, marinated clams, marinated cheese, and some pears. Finally, towards the rear, you have teas, you have coffee, whole milk, half and half, hot water, all the beverages, water, ice, lemonade, iced tea, strawberry kiwi, and tropical mango fruit. Alrighty, this is our room. We have an Oceanview room. It comes with a couch, a table. These are the waters we ordered. A little porthole, a decent sized television, and we have our bed, which is like a king size bed. And then this is the reverse shot of the room with the couch and the bathroom door. Here's our closets. We have a safe in the middle, some cubby holes, some hanging holes, and 2 drawers. And this is our other closet, which is all hanging, 2 levels for hanging. And the restroom, decent sized shower, toilet. Oh, somebody left a work rag in here.
Caribbean down to the Bahamas. We made it in through the fog today and we're sailing out into the sunshine. And this cruise, we've got beautiful weather all cruise long in the Bahamas, everybody. I'm Mike, I'm your cruise director. Great to have you here. Where are my party people? Make some noise! We are the official party ship of Royal Caribbean. We've got brand new shows, brand new parties, brand new events tonight. We've got All In. We also have an ice skating show. We've got One Hit Wonder Street Party, which I'll be hosting. We've got the Price is Right game show. We've got the Crazy Quest game show. We've got the Love of Marriage game show. We've got Name That Tune game show. And we've got beautiful weather. And we've got Coco Cake and Nassau. But right now, my beautiful people, in order for the captain to blow the horn and to set sail, we want you to count down from 10 to 0. That cues the captain to put the key in the ignition. So everybody look at the big movie screen. Let's do this. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're on vacation, everybody. Party time, everybody. Party time.
I need to break away. I need to break away. Break away. Break away. Break away. Break away.
Well, we're on our way to the Casino Royale welcome party and 5 to 6 free drinks in the non-smoking casino. Let's go check it out. Let me see what I can show you.